Now, politics over COVID-19 crisis in Delhi refuses to die down. Amid rising cases, BJP and the Congress accuses Arvind Kejriwal-led government of negligence as well as inaction there. BJP State President Adesh Gupta said that if the government had taken timely steps, situation would not have gone out of control. Congress, meanwhile, targeted the Delhi government for increasing fine for not wearing face masks to 2,000 rupees and, in fact, sought immediate withdrawal of this order of a fine of 2,000 rupees. Aam Aadmi Party there facing quite some heat over its handling of the crisis, in turn blaming the centre for not delivering on its promise of providing 250 ICU beds in Delhi's hospitals. AAP spokesperson Saurabh Bharadwaj also blamed the Uttar Pradesh and the Haryana government for failing to manage COVID crisis. This comes after he claimed that more than half of the COVID-19 patients admitted in Delhi hospitals were from Uttar Pradesh and Haryana.
दिल्ली के अंदर हमने 90 प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स जिसमें 50% ऑफ बेड रिजर्व किए गए थे कोविड के लिए, उनको बढ़ाकर 60% रिजर्व कर दिए हैं। तो 2644 एक्स्ट्रा कोविड बेड्स ऐड होंगे प्राइवेट सेक्टर के अंदर। साथ में ही 42 प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स में आईसीयू का 80% बेड्स को रिजर्व किया गया है। पहले बड़े अस्पतालों में 33 में पहले कर दिया गया था, 42 दूसरे और अस्पतालों में किया गया है। इससे 260 आईसीयू बेड एक्स्ट्रा अवेलेबल होंगे।
केजरीवाल साहब सिर्फ प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करते हैं, टीवी पे एडवर्टीजमेंट देते हैं। काश ये सारा पैसा उन्होंने कोरोना से लड़ने में खर्च किया होता, लेकिन दिल्ली में तो वो खुद ही नियम तोड़ देते। जब अक्षरधाम मंदिर में उन्होंने दीपावली पूजा रखी तो उसमें सारे नियम ताक पे रख दिए। तो जब दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री ऐसा करेंगे, पूरा मंत्रिमंडल करेगा, तो फिर दिल्ली को कौन बचाएगा?
विपक्ष के नाते हमें ये तो कहने का अधिकार है कि आपने ये कमी की जो आप समय रहते करते। आज कोर्ट भी उनको फटकार लगा रही है, तब भी नहीं उनको काम करने की नहीं सूझ रही है। कोर्ट ने उनको 2-2, 3-3 बार फटकार लगाई है। पहली बार लगाई थी, उसके बाद केंद्र सरकार ने इंटरवीन किया, फिर दूसरी बार फटकार लगाई, केंद्र सरकार ने फिर इंटरवीन किया, और अभी तीसरी बार फटकार लगाई कि आपके पास सारे आंकड़े थे कि कोरोना केसेस बढ़ेंगे नवंबर में और आपको ये मेजर्स लेने चाहिए, लेकिन दिल्ली सरकार ने कुछ नहीं किया।
जिस तरह से अरविंद केजरीवाल ने आज प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके बगैर मास्क के चालान की जो कीमतें 500 से 2000 कर देना जुर्माना, और लोगों से अपील करना कि लोग और पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज मास्क बांटें, कहीं ना कहीं ये पूरी तौर पर दिखाई देता है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल पूरी तरह से फेल साबित हुए। यानी कि सरकार हर मोर्चे पर कोविड के खिलाफ जो लड़ाई लड़ी जा रही है उसमें फेल साबित हुई है। ये तानाशाही जो डिसीजन है कहीं ना कहीं भ्रष्टाचार को बढ़ावा देगा। इस भ्रष्टाचार से 2000 रुपए के फाइन के बाद कौन गारंटी लेगा कि फाइन करने वाला आदमी मोल भाव नहीं करेगा।
Cutting across to Kumar Kunal live. Kumar, here we're looking at Delhi government receiving a lot of flack for not acting in time, knowing very well that the COVID cases in the month of November would see a spike, considering the pollution levels. You had the festivals just around the corner, and the winter only now, it's the winter season, and that's not suited for the COVID-19 as such. What has the Delhi government done is the question that many ask. Now we see random testing happening, not just at the Noida Delhi border. Now even Gurugram and Delhi border also random testing will begin. Even Faridabad border as well, testing to begin. All eyes and fingers pointed at Delhi for inaction.
Yes, even the neighboring states are of view that they can, the Delhi residents who are infected by COVID virus, they can transfer it to their population, and that's why these random sampling and other activities are happening in neighboring states like Uttar Pradesh, and even Haryana has started it today. Today, several teams in Gurugram and Faridabad have started these random samplings. What they are of view that since Delhi is witnessing a spike in number of cases, those who are commuting from Delhi towards Gurugram or Faridabad or Noida, they might bring it with them, the infection and the ratio at which this is growing in Noida, Ghaziabad, Gurugram and Faridabad, that might increase further. So that is one aspect of the whole story. The second aspect is that what Delhi government is doing, even if opposition parties are questioning Delhi government and their preparation, right now the thing is Delhi government is also working on war footing. Just now Arvind Kejriwal has presided a meeting with all the trader organization from Delhi, and they have decided that right now they are not going to shut any of the markets, which was earlier talk of the town that if the crowding won't be controlled, then markets could be shut down. But right now Arvind Kejriwal has tweeted and told that after talking to traders, they have decided that markets won't shut down immediately. The traders have been told that they have to keep eye on the violations, especially violations of social distancing, wearing a mask. All those things have to be looked upon by the market associations as well. And if that won't be followed, then further steps will be taken. So pressure on Arvind Kejriwal government is increasing from all the quarters. But right now, even Kejriwal government is taking few steps, and hopefully that will improve the situation in future.
Kumar, thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.